So guys, welcome to Mr. Magic, and in today's video I will show you how can you change the sky to a Milky Way, how can you change the watercolor, and how can you change the whole scenario of the photo from day to night with Snapseed. So let's continue to the video. So guys, for this editing, at first I have opened Snapseed and selected the photo in which I will do the edit. And guys, one more thing is my PUBG triggers are coming, so my next month's random video will be on that. I will unbox the trigger and I will show a gameplay also, so stay tuned for next month's random video. And then for changing the watercolor, I have clicked on adjust and then decreased the warmth effect twice. And then from the above layer option, apply the blue warmth effect only in the water. And now I will change the sky by adding a Milky Way in it. So for that, click on double exposure and add the photo you want to apply. And then adjust the photo in the right place by increasing and decreasing the opticality level. And once you have adjusted, then increase the opticality level to 100. And then from the above layer option, apply the double exposure only in the sky. So the sky has been changed to Milky Way, but now you will just have to do some more adjustments for making this picture perfect. So follow my steps properly.
Hold tight, dripping lights paint the sky, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the sky, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
So guys, this was all for today. Thanks for watching, and I know you guys have enjoyed this video, so click on the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then press the subscribe button with the bell icon. So see you again in my next video.
And then press the subscribe button with the bell icon. So see you again in my